students, welcome to my YouTube channel Bachcha Wala Maths. Today we'll do class 8 chapter 11, that is mensuration. So let's see the question number 1 of exercise 11.1. As you can see the chapter mensuration, so you need to know certain formulas like area of rectangle. So let me write and show you. Area of rectangle equal to, all of you know, that is length into breadth. Okay, then second is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to what? 2L plus B. This is the perimeter of rectangle formula. Yes, all of you know this well. Okay, then the second formula, then the next formula I will tell you is about square. So all of you know area of square. Area of square is what? Area of square equal to side into side, it is side square. Yes, or and the perimeter of square equal to 4 into side, that you know already. Yes, and the properties also you know, that in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal and in a square all sides are equal. Just remember that in a rectangle properties, in a rectangle, I'll tell you, see, in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Yes, and in a square, what? In a square all sides are equal. Yes, that's remember. Okay, then if you see the question number 1 of 11.1, the question reads, a square and rectangle filled with measurement given in the figure, okay, have the same perimeter. That means this is a square and this is a rectangle. The side of the square is 60 m. Yes, and the length of the rectangle is given already, that is 80. Okay, so by the property you know that in a square, and one thing more given, that the perimeter of both are same. That means what is a perimeter? Land, that is the total measure of its boundaries. Okay, just remember that perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? The total sum of its boundaries are equal. Okay, so we know that in a square all sides are equal. So if this is 60, this is also 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. So let us find the perimeter of rectangle first. So we know perimeter of rectangle is, so I have written here, just see, perimeter of figure 1. Figure 1 means you write here square, in place of figure you write square, equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into side is what? 60. So 4 into 60, it is 240 meter. Yo, very good. The next, we know the perimeter of rectangle as how much? 2L plus B. The perimeter of figure 2 you write here in place of figure 2 rectangle, okay, equal to 2L plus B, that is length plus breadth. But we know that the perimeter of square, that is perimeter of rectangle, is equal to perimeter of square. That is given in the question, that is given right here, given. So what can I write? We have found no the perimeter of square as 240, so I can write 2L plus B equal to 240. Okay, then 2 length means already 80 given here, so put it here, 80 plus B, breadth I don't have, that is 240. Then you divide this 2 below. So after this step you write like this, 80 plus B equal to 240 by 2. Then if we deduct, it will become 120. So 80 plus B equal to 120. Then 80 will come this side, that is B equal to 120 minus 80, that is 40. B is 40. Okay, now we got the length also and breadth also of the rectangle. So we know the area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So we'll find here, first we'll find the area of square first. The figure 1, that is you write in place of figure 1 square, equal to side square, that is side into side. So 60 into 60, that is 3600 meter square. Okay, then area of figure 2, that is you write here rectangle, that the formula is length into breadth, that is 80 into 40, that is length into breadth, that is 3200. That you can observe here that the area has a larger area by how much? 400 meter square. So area of figure A is larger, don't write longer, you write larger than the figure of rectangle. Okay, and here in place of figure 1 you write square. So that's all. Hope you have understood. We'll do the next video in the next terms. Thank you.